Cheeseburger, a culinary icon, a symphony of flavors and textures. It's a dish that transcends cultures and generations, uniting us all in a shared love for juicy beef, melted cheese, and fluffy buns. But achieving cheeseburger perfection is an art form. It requires precision, passion, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Today we embark on a culinary journey together. We're going to unlock the secrets to crafting the ultimate classic cheeseburger. Are you ready to become a master of the grill? Let's begin our adventure. Before we fire up the grill, we need to assemble our culinary arsenal. The quality of your ingredients will directly impact the flavor of your cheeseburger. Here's what you'll need. For the patties, 1 pound of ground beef with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, a pinch of garlic powder, onion powder, or a dash of Worcestershire sauce. For the assembly, 4 slices of your favorite cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, Swiss, or pepper jack. 4 burger buns, brioche or sesame seed buns, crisp lettuce leaves, ripe tomato slices, thinly sliced onions, and tangy pickle slices. Your favorite condiments, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Butter for toasting the buns to golden perfection. The heart and soul of any great cheeseburger is the patty. Start by dividing your ground beef into 4 equal portions. Gently shape each portion into a ball, handling the meat as little as possible. Overworking the meat can result in tough, dense patties. Now, gently flatten each ball into a patty about ½ an inch thick. Use your thumb to create a slight indentation in the center of each patty. Generously season both sides of each patty with salt and pepper. With our patties seasoned and ready to sizzle, let's move on to the exciting part, cooking. The aroma of sizzling beef is enough to make your stomach rumble in anticipation. Preheat your grill pan, or skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place your seasoned patties onto the hot surface, listening for that satisfying sizzle. Cook the patties for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare, 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium, or 5 to 6 minutes per side for medium well. About a minute before you're ready to take the patties off the heat, place a slice of cheese on top of each patty. If you're using a grill, close the lid to create an oven-like effect and encourage the cheese to melt into a gooey, glorious mess. While the patties are working their magic on the grill, let's turn our attention to the buns. Lightly butter the cut sides of your burger buns. Place the buns, buttered side down, on the grill or in a skillet over medium heat. Toast for 1 to 2 minutes, or until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. Keep a close eye on the buns, as they can burn quickly. Once the buns are toasted to perfection, remove them from the heat and set them aside. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to assemble our cheeseburgers. Start by laying down the bottom half of each toasted bun on a clean cutting board or plate. Spread a generous layer of your favorite condiments on the bottom bun. Next, create a bed of fresh, crisp lettuce leaves on top of the condiments. Add a few slices of ripe, juicy tomato and thinly sliced onions. Don't forget the tangy pickle slices. Carefully transfer your cooked patties with their glorious melted cheese crowns onto the waiting beds of vegetables. Place the top half of each toasted bun on top of the patties. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. The perfectly toasted buns, the juicy patty oozing with flavor, the melted cheese cascading over the sides, the colorful array of fresh toppings. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. Serve your ultimate classic cheeseburgers immediately, while the patties are still hot and the cheese is gooey. Pair them with your favorite sides: crispy French fries, onion rings, a refreshing salad. Now take a bite and savor the symphony of flavors and textures. Gather your friends and family, fire up the grill, and create some unforgettable cheeseburger memories together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary adventures. Additionally, you may follow our Instagram account for more mouth-watering food inspiration. The link is in description. Happy cooking!